we divide 214 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down another number, this 1, and we remove this 0. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we again put down another number, this 4, and we take here 0. So now it became 14. So 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting we get 0. So 214 divided by 2 is 107. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.